today for the Bitcoin and also altcoin prices. And this title here is probably the craziest title I have made since I started with YouTube. And you're asking yourself, Chris, what the heck are you talking about? Run for your life? I thought we are in a big bull market. I thought Bitcoin is gonna reach new all-time highs. I thought you were predicting 200,000. I thought you just recently bought some altcoins. Well, hear me out. And maybe you remember like 4 or 5 months ago or so, when I made a bearish video about Bitcoin around 60,000 US dollars, telling you about this Wyckoff accumulation pattern, the distribution pattern with Bitcoin breaking down and my target of 28,800. Back then, I didn't think that I was right. Back then, I thought, well, I might as well show you a bearish scenario, which I think is a possibility, a very unlikely one. This is actually exactly what happened. And now I want to do the exact same, because we see extreme exuberance in the market. We see extreme bullishness. We see mainstream media, headlines, NFTs, Visa, millions of dollars for pixels, and like crazy double-digit gains, triple-digit gains in the altcoin space. So I thought this might be the reason for another video like I did it a few months ago. And guys, hear me out, because I actually have some evidence in the chart to back it up. It's not that I want to create buzz, sensations, and get clicks. Of course I want to get clicks, obviously, like this is my purpose. I want to reach the mainstream. I want to reach as many people as possible. But in the end of the day, for me, it's about to bring you prosperity, to bring you long-term wealth, and to be a realistic channel which provides all the viewpoints you need to have an overview as to what is going to happen to the market. Now let's go here straight into the charts, guys. And it's gonna be a little bit different than today, than usually, but I wanna really get some feedback here. If you like these videos, and maybe some people were downvoting me like 5 months ago, everyone who took me serious there was at least prepared for the scenario of Bitcoin of dumping from 64,000 down to 28,000. So please hear me out, guys. Let's go here straight into the charts. And what you can see here is the Bitcoin price on the monthly candles. And once again, guys, hear me out. Let me quickly clean the camera. Oh no, I think it's just how it looks. Right? Oh no, perfect. So I had to clean the camera. This is the monthly candles. This is the last 11 years for Bitcoin. And this chart I showed you a few times. You have parabolic rises towards the upside, converging trend lines here, Bitcoin breaking out to the next bull market. Every single candlestick representing 1 month. Converging trend lines, breaking out to the next bull market, converging trend lines. This is how I predicted this massive run here towards the upside. However, what I was talking about earlier, like many months ago, Mo actually inspired me, MMCrypto here to this trend line, is this long 11 years resistance. And we hit it in 2011, in 2013, in 2017, we just hit it at 64,000. Every time we hit it, we went into a bear market. We hit it here, bear market. We hit it here, 12-month bear market. We hit it here, 12-month bear market. We hit it here, no bear market. Why? So this is, of course, the question we should ask ourselves. And it's not the only argument. It's by far not the only argument. But it's the first one, and it's a very significant one. Like, it happened every time so far. So what gives us the right to say this time it's going to be different? Well, I told you for a reason why I think this time it's going to be different. This time we have unprecedented economic uncertainty. We have unprecedented money printing. And of course, we have finally a whole new group of buyers which have never entered the space with potentially unlimited funds because they are part of the system, right? This is one reason why it could be different. But that put aside, just from the history judging, we hit the high here. Just want to tell you, number one. And now you're asking, hey Chris, but the altcoins are exploding. This is the altcoin capitalization, excluding Bitcoin. The altcoins are still exploding. I mean, we are soon at a new all-time high. The altcoins are soon reaching a new all-time high. How in the world can you say that this bull market is over? I'm not saying the bull market is over, but I'm telling you it's a possibility. How can you say this if the altcoins are just about to knock out the previous all-time high? Once again, guys, take it just as additional inspiration here. I am all in crypto. I just bought some altcoins. I mean, I have many of these altcoins earlier, but I scaled more into it a few days ago and also many days ago. And I am scaling a little bit more in, but still I hold like 75% in Bitcoin. Just wanted to say that. So why do I think that even though the altcoins are going up, this could be the end? Usually it shouldn't be, right? Well, what if I told you that in 2017, I don't know if you were around, this is the crypto cap. This is only the altcoin market cap. What if I told you that this altcoin market cap hit 540 billion US dollars in January 2018, right? So we hit the all-time high after Bitcoin hit the all-time high, because Bitcoin hit its all-time high right here. And then Bitcoin retraced, and even though Bitcoin retraced, altcoins went higher. So we already had that before. Bitcoin hitting an all-time high, Bitcoin retracing down, and altcoins thereafter pumping towards the upside, marking the end of the bull market in January 2018. Afterwards, everything just went sideways downwards. So at least from this point of view, this is mirroring once again. And at least from the Bitcoin point of view, we have some massive mirroring action here once again by touching the trend line. So we have the exuberance in the market. We have mainstream coverage. We have huge amounts of people entering the space, even personally. People I have never thought about they will enter the space. So I'm just prepared. I am still all in Bitcoin, and I wouldn't advise it to anyone. I'm a crazy guy. I'm like Arnold Schwarzenegger, no plan B. My plan B is Bitcoin. But at least I know that it's possible that we are going to go down for another 12 months. I'm not saying we will, but I am prepared for it. Are you prepared for it? I'm just checking for staking platforms. I want to stake a little bit of my Bitcoin. Like, on the other hand, of the Bitcoin stakers, they are Bitcoin lenders. Like, there are so many people lending right now to buy crypto, to buy altcoins. I mean, that's extremely dangerous. Bitcoin, if you can afford the loss and if you cover everything, maybe long term, it's of course it can be a smart thing. Michael Saylor is doing it. But just wanted to tell you guys, please be cautious. Please have an open mind for the love of whatever you believe in, dear ladies and gentlemen, for every single possibility to come. And I have this responsibility to tell so. I am a bullish channel. I remain to be a bullish channel until I think the bear market has started. But at least in these crazy times, I want to provide you both viewpoints. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I wanted to give you a quick hint here towards the very end. If you want to also trade Bitcoin like I'm doing it, you can long Bitcoin, you can short Bitcoin, you can long altcoins, short altcoins. In the pinned comment, you have $3,600 on Bybit and on Phemex and the others. Like all together in the pinned comment, you get $7,000 for free. If you click the link, make an account. If you are an experienced trader, and use this this account to make your own trades with the profits from this free trade as well. If you're not experienced, well, don't touch trading. I mean, I'm saying it every time again, like almost every day, and I really hope that you're listening to that. But if you are, obviously, just look at our track record in the last 12, 18 months. We were crushing it. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching until the very end. I truly hope that this video gave you some value, that this video maybe at least opened up your mind a little bit, because we want to be rational investors. And we don't want to live in like absolute dreamland. Smash up the like button if you appreciate this little bit of a different video. I know there's going to be some dislikes, just as I had them 5 months ago, but I'm not scared to speak my mind. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We are going to see each other at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, bye-bye.